Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things beauty and style. Today, we're diving into the world of satin hair ties, those little lifesavers that keep our hair in place without the damage. If you've been struggling with regular hair ties causing breakage or leaving creases, you're in for a treat. We've handpicked the top 5 satin hair ties on the market to give you the lowdown on which ones are worth the hype. Let's get started. At number 1 position, we have EOS satin hair ties. First up, we have the EOS satin hair ties. These luxurious hair ties boast a sleek design and are crafted from high-quality satin material for a gentle hold on your hair. Key features. The EOS satin hair ties feature a smooth satin texture that prevents tangling and breakage. They come in a variety of vibrant colors to match any outfit or mood. Benefits and usage. These hair ties are gentle on all hair types, from fine to thick, curly to straight. They provide a secure hold without pulling or snagging, making them perfect for creating sleek ponytails or elegant updos. Usability. Whether you're heading to the gym or a formal event, the EOS satin hair ties are versatile enough to suit any occasion. Plus, they're easy to use and won't leave any creases or marks in your hair. Durability. With proper care, these hair ties are built to last, ensuring that you can enjoy their benefits for a long time to come. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Kitsch satin hair ties. Next on our list are the Kitsch satin hair ties. These chic hair ties combine style and function, making them a must-have accessory for any hair care routine. Key features. The Kitsch satin hair ties feature a wide elastic band covered in smooth satin material for a comfortable fit. They come in a range of trendy colors and patterns to complement your personal style. Benefits and usage. These hair ties are designed to minimize damage and breakage while keeping your hair secure throughout the day. They're also gentle enough to wear while sleeping to prevent creases and kinks in your hair. Usability. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, the Kitsch satin hair ties provide a secure hold without slipping or sliding. Plus, they're easy to remove without causing any tangles or snags. Durability. Made from high-quality materials, these hair ties are built to withstand regular use without losing their shape or elasticity. The number 3 position is held by Just My Style satin hairbands. Moving on to our next contender, we have the Just My Style satin hairbands. These versatile hair ties are designed to keep your hair looking and feeling its best all day long. Key features. The Just My Style satin hairbands feature a slim design with a soft satin finish for a gentle hold on your hair. They come in a variety of classic colors to suit any occasion or outfit. Benefits and usage. These hairbands are perfect for creating sleek hairstyles without the damage caused by traditional hair ties. They're also great for securing braids or twists without pulling or snagging. Usability. Whether you're getting ready for work or a night out with friends, the Just My Style satin hairbands are a convenient and stylish option for keeping your hair in place. Plus, they're easy to stash in your purse or gym bag for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability. With their durable construction, these hairbands are built to last through countless wears and washes, ensuring that you can rely on them whenever you need a secure hold. Next at number 4, we have Silky satin hair elastics. Up next, we have the Silky satin hair elastics. These sleek hair ties offer a gentle yet secure hold, making them a must-have accessory for anyone looking to protect their hair from damage. Key features. The Silky satin hair elastics feature a thick elastic band covered in smooth satin material for a comfortable fit. They come in a pack of multiple colors so you can switch up your style whenever you please. Benefits and usage. These hair elastics are designed to minimize breakage and creasing while providing a secure hold on all hair types. They're also gentle enough to wear overnight to preserve your hairstyle while you sleep. Usability. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, the Silky satin hair elastics offer a reliable hold without slipping or tugging on your hair. Plus, they're easy to remove without causing any snags or tangles. Durability. Crafted from durable materials, these hair elastics are built to withstand regular use without losing their elasticity or shape, ensuring that you can enjoy long-lasting wear. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Quima satin hair ties. Last but not least, we have the Quima satin hair ties. These luxurious hair ties are designed to add a touch of elegance to any hairstyle while keeping your hair healthy and happy. Key features: the Quima satin hair ties feature a wide elastic band covered in silky satin material for a comfortable and secure hold. They come in a range of stunning colors to suit any mood or occasion. Benefits and usage: these hair ties are gentle on all hair types and are perfect for creating sleek hairstyles without the damage caused by traditional hair ties. They're also great for securing braids or buns without pulling or snagging. Usability: whether you're getting ready for work or a special event, the Quima satin hair ties offer a reliable hold that lasts all day long. Plus, they're easy to remove without leaving any creases or marks in your hair. Durability: made from high-quality materials, these hair ties are built to last through countless wears and washes, ensuring that you can enjoy their benefits for years to come. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best satin hair ties on the market. We hope you found this guide helpful in choosing the perfect hair accessory to elevate your style while keeping your locks looking and feeling their best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous.